All right, so today is essentially day one or day zero. Let's call it day one. Today is day one of trying to become a serial entrepreneur. And yesterday, Charbel, who's my friend and colleague, we decided that we're going to start posting about our journey. And yesterday, our goal was to just post something, unrehearsed, unscripted, and just get it up. So low kind of tech. We just posted basically straight to Facebook and shared it with our friends and family. As this is going to be something in perpetuity, now today I've spent some time trying to think about where I want these to be saved and cataloged so that people can find them and come back to them later if they want to. So I've decided that kind of this daily vlog type of thing is going to happen on YouTube, and I'll share and post some of that out to Facebook as well. But primarily it'll be here on YouTube. I've had some other things in the past. I have a website. Haven't updated that yet. I will eventually, but for now I want to make sure that I'm just creating content so my website isn't just pointing to empty space. It's got to be something of substance to point to. So yeah, so that was a little bit of a decision-making process, because I had I have an old Facebook page that has some followers. I have this YouTube channel that had some followers. And I just wasn't sure. That's one of the hard things is there's so many places that you can put your stuff now, and trying to decide where to put it and what makes the most sense is a little bit of a challenging decision. My guess is a lot of this content may resonate more with like a LinkedIn crowd. It's kind of more professionally oriented, but we'll see. I think one of the challenges with Facebook and LinkedIn is they are very much like a stream of content, a feed, and stuff just gets lost. And I think one of the nice things about YouTube is there's a kind of permanent place where things can live and be cataloged and organized, like a video library, so to speak. And I think that's appealing to something like this. So that's why I ended up going with YouTube today, and we'll see if that persists. Anyway, that's kind of been part of my experimenting today on this journey towards becoming a serial entrepreneur, and then sharing my experiences along the way. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.